So this is relatively early in the movie. They're walking along some random street and they just happen to run into each other, Rob and Frank, and they have a conversation that is pretty brief, but it tells you a lot about the state of their relationship.
Hey, son.
Dad?
Okay?
You?
Yeah, good.
Busy?
Aye. You used to have one of them, remember?
Yeah. They had one each, but they're always losing them.
I was going to go for a coffee. Might come?
I better not. I've got to get on. Maybe next time.
Aye.
Another thing, I think there's a lot of that in the world. People wanting each other, missing each other because they don't know how to cross the space between.
Mm.
A son desperately needs his dad's approval, wants his affirmation. A dad desperately wants his son's admiration. And so each of them has so much more power over each other than they know. That simple coffee could begin to repair that. But neither one of them knows how to say the hard thing about where they need the other.